guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be learning all about solid figures. Solid figures are three-dimensional, unlike shapes which are two-dimensional. Before we get into it, I want to define a few of the terms that I'm going to be using throughout the video. The first word is face. A face is a flat surface of a solid figure. The next word is edge. An edge is where two faces meet. The last word is vertex. A vertex is where two or more edges meet. I hope that you enjoy the video. The first solid figure we're going to talk about today is the cube. On a cube, all the edges are equal lengths. If you were to take this face and place it on a piece of paper and trace around it with a pencil, you would have a square, because remember, all the lengths of a square are equal as well. This solid figure will not roll, it will simply sit on any one of its flat faces. The next solid figure is a rectangular prism. If you were to take this face and place it on a piece of paper and trace around it, you would have the shape of a rectangle. If you placed this face on a piece of paper and traced around it, you would have a square. This solid figure will not roll. Like the cube, it will simply sit on any one of its flat faces. The next solid figure is a cylinder. A cylinder has two flat faces, so you can see one of them here, the other is on the bottom. Here's a flat face, and the other is on the other side. This solid figure can roll. If you have it like this, you can roll it back and forth, or you can set it on either one of the flat faces and it will not roll. The next solid figure is a cone. A cone has one flat face. This solid figure can be set on its flat face, or you can roll it if you place it on its side. The next solid figure is a pyramid. A pyramid's base may be a triangle or it may be a square, and the number of flat faces that a pyramid has depends on whether it's a triangular pyramid or a square pyramid. This solid figure will not roll. Let's take a closer look at the different types of pyramids. The first type of pyramid is a triangular pyramid. This pyramid has a triangle for a base, that's one face. It also has a face shaped like a triangle here, here, and behind the pyramid where we can't see in a two-dimensional illustration. That's three more faces shaped like triangles for a total of 4 faces. The next type of pyramid is a square pyramid. A square pyramid has one face that is shaped like a square. It has a face here that is shaped like a triangle. That's 1. Another face shaped like a triangle, 2. Plus 1 here that we can't see in a two-dimensional illustration, and 1 in the back, where again, we can't see in a two-dimensional illustration. That's 4 more faces, for a total of 5. Our last solid figure is a sphere. A sphere has no flat faces. It is perfectly round, and not only will it roll, but it has to roll. You can't really set it down and have it stay in one place. Because it has no flat faces, it will definitely roll around. learned the different names and properties of solid figures by watching the video. When I was a second and third grade teacher, it was important for the students to memorize how many faces, edges, and vertices each solid figure had. Those aren't part of the first grade standards, but I know that a lot of you love a challenge. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box to a resource you can download. It's going to show you the exact number of faces, edges, and vertices for each of the solid figures that we discussed in today's video. That's all I have for you today, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now!